Come test drive today. Chevrolet Certified Pre-Owned. Clean Auto Check Vehicle History Report. All-Star Edition Dual Zone Climate Control 4-Wheel Drive Remote Start Locking Rear Differential Stability with Traction Control Deluxe Overhead Console Power Adjustable Pedals Heavy Duty Cooling Package HD Trailering Equipment USB Port Bluetooth for Phone OnStar XM Radio Fog Lamps Steering Wheel Radio Controls and more. Just arrived. Internet deal on this fine LTX cab 4-wheel drive. This amazing vehicle with its grippy 4-wheel drive will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you. Big grins. One of the best things about this vehicle is something you can't see, but you'll be thankful for it every time you pull up to the pump. Chevrolet Certified. Do you want it all?